Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna take trades with candlestick psychology, price action, and mostly trendline breaks. So stay tuned. I hope you learn something new. Beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna explain this trade right now. Okay, so basically when a strong trend line is being broken and it retests, I can confidently say that the price will try to continue go higher. Okay, again, there is no 100% in the market. This was just my prediction, but yeah, usually the price will continue goes higher. I think if I probably waited for the price to close on the trend line, it would have been a different result. But no problem. I'm gonna find a better trade. In the meantime, let me draw this right here real quick. Okay, we're breaking this part of the trend line. All right, I'm gonna take my trade right here. This trend line is much stronger. Okay, I'm gonna empty everything on this one, because as you guys see, this trend line failed, so it means something to me, right? It means that, okay, if this one fails, it's more likely that this one will work when it break. So what I'm saying, you understand what I'm trying to say? The first trend line, when it break, it came back down. It means that the sellers are still in the market. So what I'm doing right here, I'm using candlestick psychology with price action and all of that. And this trade is going to be a winning trade. Beautiful. And guys, I really want to say something to some of you. In order to trade very successfully, you need to know a lot of price action and candlestick psychology, because when you know that, you can take trade very quickly and recover your losses. Okay, let's get into the next trade. Okay, I'm gonna take this. Beautiful. All right, the reason why I took this trade, okay, I could see that the trend line is broken with a momentum, which tells me something. Okay, but not just any momentum. The momentum was really strong. That tells me that the sellers are very active in the market. Okay, and based off my experience, whenever a strong momentum breaks a strong trend line, let me make that very clear, the trend line needs to be strong also, then it shows me the momentum is strong enough to continue going down. And that's why I trusted this trade and double trade on it, because I have seen this played multiple times in my eyes. Okay, beautiful. Let's find our next trade real quick. This trade is so amazing, I'm not gonna lie. The next momentum breaking the trend line. Beautiful, magnificent. All right, let's see if I can find a next trade. I was seeing something building up right here. I saw a trade developing around this area, so I'm going to set my alarm real quick, because this looks beautiful. Alright, so I'm gonna get the alarm whenever the price comes down here. Let's go and check on this trade, what's going on. Okay, it's playing around a little bit, but again, I saw that there was a momentum broken a trend line, so I'm not really worried. You know, let's see what's gonna happen. Our entry was pretty short. I'm not gonna lie. My entry was pretty short. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. I'm going to take one trade here, right here, and I want to take a next trade, two trade right here, because this is a momentum. This one is just a 3-bar down, so it's less likely to work. Okay, let's see which one is gonna win, which one is gonna lose. I'm more confident in this one right here, because this one had the momentum. I'm telling you, guys, I can't make this stuff up. I'm telling you, like, this had the momentum, so I'm really confident. I'm really confident in this one. Guys, if you're interested in mentorship, you can contact me on Telegram. Okay. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful. Told you I was confident in this one. I was truly confident in this one. So it seems as if I lost this one. No problem. I won 2-1, lost 1. No problem. I think I'm gonna take the next entry. If this candle closes below this green candle, I will take the next trade for selling, only if it closes below the wick. Only. If it closes above, I'm not gonna take it. Okay, I'm going in. Beautiful. I think this trade will be a winning trade for sure. If I get a huge red candle right now, I'm sure. I know I will get a red candle, but I need a huge one. If I get a huge one, the price can never come back up so high. So I'm confident if I get a huge red candle, I will win this trade for sure. For sure. Alright, it's not so huge. But again, guys, I could see that there was 2 trend lines. I bet many of you didn't saw that. Right? I saw there was 2 trend lines. Okay? We broke in this trend line and we forming a trend line again. Right? So that's the reason why I took this trade for 2 trades, even though I lost right here. No problem. When you understand candlestick psychology, even when you lose trades, you can find trades easy. I'm gonna take this. We have broken this trend line with a ABC. Okay, ABC. We broken the trend line with a ABC, and ABC is a type of chart pattern which signal higher or lower price movement. As I said, guys, if you're interested in mentorship, check my Telegram. You know, it's the best mentorship I think ever exists in binary option. But I'm not the one to say that, you know. Anyways, right, the reason why I took this trade, the trend line was broken with a ABC, and ABC is a sign of reversal. Okay, so when I saw this, I knew that the price wanted to go higher. I should have taken 2 trades, but yeah, doesn't matter. Profit is profit. Let's find our next trade. Taking this, as you guys can see, the price rejected from the trend line. Okay, resistance. It broke this resistance, which was once a support. Right, so I'm expecting lower price movement from here. As you guys can see, this is a combination of chart patterns, which is very good. Yes, I definitely think I'm gonna win this trade. That gap down was so strong. It shows me that sellers are really active in the market. Beautiful. So good. Candlestick psychology is like, I don't know what, bro. It's just different. It's like the best. I'm being honest. Like it, price action, I love it, but candlestick psychology is the boss. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, guys, this will be it for my session. I'm gonna wrap it up right here. I hope you guys learned something new today. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.